Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all good. May Allah bless you. So guys, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel Hidden Decoration, and we're thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my all the previous videos. Also thanks to connecting with me and supporting me. Dear friends, I'm providing most unique and gorgeous designs of garden furniture. Dear friends, before get you started, don't forget to like and share this video if it is helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more updates related to garden decoration and also home decoration tips and tricks. Dear friends, I hope you love and enjoy these beautiful ideas and designs of garden furniture. Designing garden furniture involves several key aspects to consider, such as materials, functionality, comfort, style and aesthetic, durability and maintenance, space consideration, accessories, budget. Be carefully considering these aspects. You can create a functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space that suits your lifestyle and enhances your enjoyment of your garden. Accessories such as umbrellas, outdoor rugs, and lighting can enhance the functionality and ambience of your outdoor space. Ensure that the furniture is sturdy and safe, especially if you have children or pets who will be using the garden area. Consider sustainability by choosing furniture made from recycled materials or from sustainable sources. Look for certification like forest for wood products. Measure your outdoor space to ensure the furniture fits comfortably without overcrowding. Modular or folding designs can be practical for smaller spaces. So guys, it's a humble request, please subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest and new updates related to decoration tips and tricks. So you can tell me in comment section if you love these beautiful ideas. Your comment is very important for me. So be connected with me. Don't forget press the bell icon. I will meet you in my next video. I will bring a lot of amazing designs and ideas of decoration tips and tricks for you. So dear friends, take care. Allah Hafiz. Dear friends, please remember me in your precious prayers.